We are pleased to show you the 2020 Maxima. Maxima offers elegance with an edge. The spacious interior provides refined comfort for up to 5 passengers. Advanced technologies such as Nissan intelligent key and push-button ignition offer convenience and control. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window defroster, navigation system, heated front seats, security system. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.